Gannet BioChem develops and manufactures specialized polyethylene glycol or PEG reagents that help improve life-saving therapeutics. Maintaining proper humidity is essential throughout the facility. Mechanical scales in the research lab are calibrated to the thousandth of a gram, and low relative humidity can create static electricity that affects accuracy. In fact, the scales automatically lock out if relative humidity in the lab is too low. In manufacturing areas, static discharge can threaten sensitive equipment and process safety. To maintain reliable humidity control, Gannet BioChem uses DriSteam humidification systems throughout its campus. The installation includes GTS gas-to-steam humidifiers, Vaporstream electric humidifiers, and Rapid-sorb steam dispersion systems integrated with multiple air handling units. According to Gannet BioChem's engineering team, humidification supports three critical objectives: safety, equipment operation, and employee comfort. It is a critical part of keeping research and manufacturing moving efficiently every day. From comfort to critical, DriSteam delivers humidity control where performance matters most. To learn how DriSteam can support your facility, visit DriSteam.com or contact your local representative today. Watch the end screen of this video for a link to the Gannet BioChem case study.